Yo, what's going on, guys? This your boy Auto Lust, and I just received some very good news. The other three-piece wheels are here, the other three, because remember last video I told you that one was missing. Well, one came and three were missing. Now we have all four three-piece Lexanis in, staggered. Beautiful. So I'm headed over to John now at Pro Touch Auto Body, and we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna introduce you guys to John, show you around the shop a little bit, and yeah, I'm on the way there right now. Wait till you guys see these wheels. Gonna be crazy. All right, guys, with movie magic, we here. You know, I ain't gonna put y'all on that boring ass ride all the way to Melbourne, because that's where the shop is located, Melbourne, Florida. I'm located about 45 minutes away, so we finally made it here to the shop. Pro Touch Auto Body. You know, I'm sitting out in the car now. I already spoke to John. I'm gonna get him to introduce himself, get him to show you around the shop, and then we're gonna do this unboxing. So next person you see is gonna be John. So we're here, Pro Touch Auto Body. Ooh, what's this? That's a Marines car there. Alright. Man, it's some horrible weather today here in Florida. This here Pro Touch Auto Body. Give you a little run around. And this is the owner here, John. How you doing, John?
Good, man.
This is my good buddy, John. He's the owner here at Pro Touch Auto Body. And I'm gonna have him show you guys around a little bit. Well, look, they do everything from mild to wild. Audis, custom Cadillacs,
Candy red Mazdas.
Candy red Mazdas. They do it all here. All right. So what you guys got doing today, John? 20-ton frame machine.
So that's where we'll do all our heavy pulls. Then we do anything from minor fender benders. Is what this one is. This is a
14 Ford Escape.
And then this is a brand new Toyota. This is a 2020, I believe.
2020 Toyota Corolla.
We got an old 87 Jeep Wagoneer.
Whoo, Jeep Wagoneer. This is a classic here on the frame machine.
This one was actually hit so hard he actually bent the frame. We actually had to torch the frame and actually bend it out and re-weld it.
Damn.
Because we couldn't get anyone to get us the part we needed.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm sure parts on this joke is like rare as a purple diamond or something. That's a Wagoneer Limited there. That's a rare car you're looking at right there. On the frame machine. And look at these custom toolboxes they do. They do custom toolboxes. What type of coating this is on the toolbox, John? That's Raptor coating. Custom Raptor coating on the toolboxes. They do custom toolboxes and everything here. Pro Touch Auto Body coating specialist here.
There we go. We come this way.
All right. We're gonna go to the other side.
Right now we got my guys actually doing a ceramic coat. This came in for hood repair. Now we're topping it off with a ceramic coating. This is a 3-year coating. That way customer doesn't have to spend time and money trying to keep this thing looking this nice.
All right. And that's beautiful. Jeez, man, this thing is bad. Look like something from the Mad Max era, right? Man. That is beautiful. How much horsepower is this thing?
It's a little 10 horse on it, but that's all you need.
Yeah, it looks light too. That's nice, man.
No, it's a fun ride. This is actually 636. We're doing a camo wrap on in the upcoming week. So stay tuned. We'll be sending some clips and editing them.
Oh, okay. So there's a camo wrap going on this guy?
Camo's going on the top here. Then it's doing a satin black with a gold pearl in it. So that's gonna get that'll be getting work done this week.
That is beautiful.
And we're in the works of expanding our wrap bay. This is actually gonna come out. This whole bay, this office is gonna go. And this entire bay is gonna be air conditioned.
All right.
Come in, check it out. Right now we got the tarp, but this will be gone sooner or later.
Oh man, it feels great in here.
This is the good boot.
Man, this is nice.
No, we are doing the paint protection film now, so we just purchased brand new GraphTech 64-inch, so we'll be able to do full fronts. Anything between wrap and the 3M paint protection film. Paint protection film is a clear coating, virtually invisible, and it's self-healing, and it's got a 10-year warranty. Great option to put on the front of cars to keep them away from the love bugs. You know, you got your custom Beamer, and that was the first thing you put on your vehicle. So,
all right. Yeah, you get custom paint protection here too. Brand new machine. GraphTech, brand new machine here.
Another custom toolbox.
Another custom toolbox. Custom painted. With that textured coating, man. That's some durable stuff there.
This is actually the color this V-Dub's going. It's called Psychedelic.
Oh, that is beautiful.
That's 3M.
This car is getting wrapped in a psychedelic. Oh, that's beautiful.
We take all our wraps, we take everything apart like paint. That way we get our edges looking. Our concept here is to really make a wrap look like a paint job.
That looks beautiful.
Thank you, man.
That looks beautiful. Man, that's a quality wrap job. You see they take the entire car apart when they wrap it, so it looks exactly like a paint job. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. John, I love what you guys doing here.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, and this booth to be done soon. They're expanding this booth. This booth is under construction. It's gonna stretch way out. All right.
Should be 2 cars. About 2 cars wide, 2 cars deep.
2 cars wide, 2 cars deep.
And this is our spray booth.
And this is the spray booth here.
We have one of the largest booths in Brevard.
One of the largest booths in Brevard County.
To go into a heavy equipment shop.
Oh, this thing is huge.
So, yeah, we can fit a full-size dually truck in here.
Man.
Or an old classic A-body.
Oh yeah, this is huge. Got the stands for the doors and parts.
Make sure to check out our website, protouchautobody.com.
Check the website out, protouchautobody.com.
Big moves, man.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. Oh man, this is a beautiful booth. Now this is a commercial size booth here. That is nice. All right.
Now let's go do what you came here for.
Yeah, I wonder what's in these boxes here.
Well, it says important.
Oh man, you see that? Important. Important.
Warning. Pretty much it says we don't warranty shit.
Yeah, pretty much.
Like they could have just put that.
Yeah, yeah.
We don't warranty shit.
They snatched the money out your pocket and say we're not warranting shit.
Best of fucking luck. Pretty much, it's like this. Inspect, check this, check that. Make sure you're.
These are the wheels here, guys.
There's no road hazard warranty on custom color finished wheels out there.
Man.
Nice. Buy them, that's it.
All right, guys, we finally got the fucking boxes in, and it's time for the unboxing, man. I got one front and one rear wheel, so I didn't bring all 4 of them in. If you know what 2 wheels look like, you know what 4 wheels look like. So we're just gonna do 2. It's a lot of damn boxes. And here they are. Lexani 3-piece bubble edition. No bullshit, but there she goes right there, guys. That is beautiful. Let me take her out of here.
Set it on this box so we can see it. Look at that.
That is a beautiful wheel.
Is that the front wheel?
Yep.
Damn, that's wide.
Yeah, and what's crazy, guys, that I just found out, to get the staggered effect that I wanted, because I told them I wanted to be as aggressive offset as possible. They actually went with the 2-piece wheel in the front and a 3-piece wheel in the back. If you can see it here, that's one barrel, not 2 pieces. It's a 1-piece plus 2-piece for the center section. This is a 2-piece wheel here for the front. So that's crazy. So this is truly a one offset. All right. And this is a beautiful base, so I can sit this down on the ground. Ugh. Now here's the rear wheel.
How long did it take you to get these? These are all one-off made, right?
Yeah, these are specially made for the car. And this wheel here,
That's like seeing a titty for the first time.
oh yeah.
Dang.
See, this is a 3-piece wheel. 1, 2, and then a center section, 3. Let me show you guys the width difference.
Yeah.
And another difference I want you guys to see, I'm gonna see if John can catch it. I got John on the 1s and 2s.
Yep.
Is the concave difference. If you can look down the side of that and see how deep one is concave relative to the other.
Yep.
That is ridiculous.
Yeah, that's a good shot there.
That is ridiculous.
Look at the wheel thing. Yeah, even look at look at how recessed that is.
That is beautiful. Woo! Oh man, check this out, John. Warranty void if removed. Damn, well, wheels that got worse than fucking mattresses. You know, mattresses used to come with the go remove under penalty of federal law.
They're really gonna take the tire out to see if you remove that goddamn sticker.
Exactly. But those are it, guys. Tell me how you like them. Next video are gonna be the wheels getting mounted and balanced and then put on, man.
On the 1-off 6 series.
On the
Pro Touch.
on a 1-off 6 series, courtesy of Pro Touch. John's the man. John's the man. Hit him up at protouchautobody.com. We're here on Tropic Drive, right?
Yep, Tropic Drive, Melbourne, Florida.
Tropic Drive, Melbourne, Florida. Go to hit them up on the website. You guys saw the car last video. All courtesy of Pro Touch Auto Body. Yeah, those are the wheels, man. It's beautiful. So next video, you guys know what time it is. If you want to become a member of this family, man, like I say, we have a bunch of fun, spend a little money, do some nice custom cars. You know, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.